click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Android Inclusion. In this video, I will talk about Nokia 8 Sirocco Android Pie update. So let's watch. So friends, as we know that this is a flagship device of Nokia which was launched with Snapdragon 835, and this device also comes with Android 1. So friends, if we come on main thing, so this device is now getting Android Pie update. But Nokia promised that the Android Pie would be available in December. But they were facing some issues at that time. That's why the update is too late in arriving. And Nokia's brand HMD CEOs also tweeted a video in which they have announced that Nokia at Sirocco is now getting Android Pie update. Friends, there is no news that where the update is available, but the changelog has been released. First, if we talk about the update file size, so its size is about 1379.5 MB. Then if we talk about what's new in this update, so there are almost all features available with an ordinary Android Pie update. So friends, first we have new system navigation, new system menu and notification style. Then we have adaptive battery, which is also a common feature. This update also includes December security patch update. Friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.